Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about how you can block hotspot user on your iPhone. First of all, this iPhone is connected to a different iPhone as a hotspot user. So you can notice it by this little icon in the upper right corner. This little like chains linked together. So this is what it looks like on the iPhone which receives internet from a different one. On the iPhone which is actually sharing the internet, this is what it looks like. As you can see it right here, this is the way that it looks. I'm sorry for that. However, you can tap on that at any time and it gets you over to this section for a personal hotspot. So as you are in here, what you have to do is to make sure that you turn off allow for others to join, and this will essentially disable the Wi-Fi network or the personal hotspot from accessing of this iPhone, right? So you cannot block individual users, but what you can do is to change the password to something else, literally to change it very slightly, like to change just one letter or one number. Now when I enable it once again, all of the other users can get the password, but the one I want to leave out, the one I want to block or remove, will not receive the password, right? So essentially I just restart it once again and only give access to the people that I want. So this is how you can remove one specific user. But yeah, these are all of the things that you need to know about it. As you can see right now, nobody is connected because I don't have the icon in here. I don't have it inside of my dynamic island, so nobody is currently using my internet from this specific iPhone. So this is essentially what I wanted to show you. That's everything what you need to know about this topic. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe below. You can also check out Foxtecc educational platform. It's free to access. So go ahead and join right now and I'll wait for you inside. Thanks all for watching. See you guys later.